Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I should be sharing this one video with you all for the people who watch my channel but are at a younger age. You know what I mean? So somebody from the age of 15 to 18 years old who's really new to makeup, trust me, we all have been new to makeup and we all have made massive mistakes. But I only hope that there was somebody out there when probably I was 14 or 15 years old telling me what are the products and the things that I should be doing at that age. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some essential makeup products for beginners. And by beginners, I do not mean that you all are amateurs and you all have no idea about makeup. All I'm trying to say here is that we're all new to makeup. We all have been new to makeup at some point or the other. And just to avoid all the crazy mistakes that I did, which was wearing 2 shades lighter foundation than my skin tone and looking like a ghost, my neck of a different color and everything, all the crappy things that you can think about. To sort of avoid all of that, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some few tips and my favorite products for you guys, beginners as I call them, when you're doing your makeup. So yeah, let's get started. The first product that I have in here right now is a foundation. Now, one important tip that you have to remember when you're picking a foundation is that you're choosing a color which is one tone darker than your actual skin color. Now, I know this might sound absolutely crazy and rubbish to most of you, but when I'm saying this for a reason. I have been using, I think, the whole trial and error method of picking my foundation for God knows how many ever years. I don't even remember now, but it's only until recently when I figured out the correct way of using it and how you can pick your correct shade. So before telling you which products to be used and how to go about with it, let's get to the most important part, which is picking the correct foundation. Now, if you have oily to combination skin, make sure that you're using a water-based foundation that does not clog your pores. And if you have dry skin, then make sure that you're moisturizing your skin before you're going ahead and using a foundation. So this one that I have here right now is from Calabar. You can use any foundation that suits your skin, not too fancy. You're just looking at doing your basic coverage in very quick and easy steps. So yeah, make sure that you go ahead and pick a foundation that suits your skin type. Second, test it always not here like all those beauty girls tell you to. Test it over here or under your jawline to pick the exact shade, or probably use a shade which is slightly darker, and then you can go ahead and use the second product, which is a compact. Now, when you're picking your compact, if you're ideally going ahead and picking a foundation which is slightly darker, you can pick the compact shade which matches your actual skin color. I love the Sephora compact. It's affordable, it's pretty good when it comes to coverage, and I think for somebody like you guys who are probably new to makeup, you do not want to go ahead into detailing and layering and primer and all of that. Just use a moisturizer, use your foundation, and then go ahead and use some powder to set it all in. Then I have with me mascara. Oh my god, once a mascara girl, always a mascara girl. Even if you're not going ahead and wearing kajal or any sort of eye makeup, I think you should definitely wear mascara. For the longest, I used to not wear mascara because one, I did not really have the correct grip. I was so crazy as to look into the mirror, and more than a zillion times I have poked my eyes, cried so much, they used to be red. But nevertheless, thanks to trial and error and of course YouTubers out there, I finally know how to use a mascara wand. I'm 25 and I think I learned it 2 years ago. But if you guys are new, make sure that you're trying to use the mascara very slowly. Probably look down, look up, experiment, go ahead, be slow, be careful, but always use a mascara. Don't be afraid of it. It's not going to poke or hit your eyes. If you do have sensitive eyes that tends to water, you can always use a Q-tip or a earbud and then just put on your tear ducts and the water is going to go away. But make sure that you're using a mascara even though you're skipping on kohl or any other heavy eye makeup. Then I have with me the Lakme Iconic White Kajal Pencil. Now, I know most of the beginners wouldn't really want to go ahead and use a white kajal or probably not even feel the need to use it. But the reason that I have this with me right now is because a white kohl pencil or a kajal stick can actually take you a long way. First important thing is that you can always use this right here, very little of it, so to highlight your brow bone. And the other thing that you can use this for is to sort of just tightline your waterline, so as it makes you look awake and refreshing, and then the mascara over it is just going to do the trick. And last but not the least, one always needs to have some lipstick. So I have two lipsticks with me right now. One's from Lakme and one's from Maybelline. This is from the Lakme 9 to 5 range, and this is the shade Pink Perfect. Now this is like a very day shimmery pink color that you can wear during the day, probably when you're headed out to college, or when you're, you know, out to your big fancy offices when you're interning, or just chilling with your girls. And the second shade that I have with me right now is the Maybelline's Color Show 207 Cherry Crush, which is slightly on the warmer tone that preferably you could wear at night when you're having a girls' night or just going to party. So yeah. And I think that's it. These are just few very basic, simple things and tips that I have shared with you guys. If you guys are new to makeup, if you want me to do like, you know, a makeup tutorial, like very basic everyday makeup tutorial for college or for office, please comment below and let me know, and I shall definitely make it a point to do a video for you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.